Hey, guess what? No more shaky videos after this last shaky video. So I had a really good tripod before, a couple little ones, but today I returned a phone because I bought a new one. At the same time, I found a better deal on this here iPhone SE. So what I'm going to do is we're going to unbox this, going to cut to what you get in the box, and then we're going to do a couple stress tests on it and see how it goes. Okay, so in the box you get just a quick little manual. It's pretty self-explanatory, as well as this nice, look at the resistance on that grip. So both come out. I think it should be able to fit most phones in there. We'll be testing it on camera with the A series, so that will kind of be the similar sort of 6.6 phones that most are. You might struggle a bit with a Note or something like that. What I really like about it is just how easy it is to position, so you'll be able to mount it on uneven surfaces and that sort of thing. Obviously you've got landscape and portrait for mounting. It looks like there's a bit of an ecosystem that feeds into this as well. So why don't we just try and put it in a couple of weird and wonderful places, and with this you adjust this by pressing in that button, and yeah, you can have it in all sort of strange positions. Now we're going to try this in a couple of little weird mounting areas and see how it goes. Alright guys, sorry for the weird flashlight off the phones, but unfortunately my exhaust fan is wired in the same circuit as the light, so you just wouldn't be able to hear it much. But set this up in the shower. For more details, please click the link in my bio. Flame and peach emoji, but you can see fairly heavy phone, especially being the A series because it's like extra thick. It's got that chonk to it. It's got a hell chonky case. You can bloody tap it. I think when I put it in, it moved like a millimeter. So it just feels super stable. Obviously it's only early days. For $69, would I bought it if I wasn't using a gift card? Maybe not. But I think I would if I had an extra 4,000 subscribers. I feel like if you're taking the YouTube thing seriously, it's probably a pretty cheap investment, and it seems like good quality stuff. This is the medium, so I think the large would be really cool as well. Just to get that better value on it, but obviously you can just place it on something like a table or something if you need a higher angle.